This is week 9. As you can see, I placed my bin here. This is going to have your communication items and your hygiene items, as well as your equipment and tools. All right, so some of the items on the list were, I guess I'll go backwards a little bit. I've got my fishing supplies, my net, and my fishing rods. All right, it's mentioned to have a camping shovel. I have an axe, but I'm not putting it in the kit. It is in the garage. Camp saw. This is my camp saw. All right, let's see. It says, oh, I skipped a can opener. All right, it says camp stove. Somebody very nice got me this Solo stove for Christmas. And I was just checking it out. It's a cute little pot. And inside, it actually has a little mini stove that you just fill it with twigs, and then you put your pot right on top. So you can get something like that. But when I was a little bit younger and didn't have any money, I bought this little stove. And it is a Sterno stove. It just, let's see here if I can remember how to do it. There you go. And you just put your pan on there. And here's a pan. I also have a thermos. Unfortunately, it has a plastic handle, so it might not be good in a fire. I also put some flares in there just because those are supposed to burn super fast and really hot. I've got some propane. I put all my Sterno cans in this first aid kit. Communications, some zip ties, some rope, tape, and I just have some wire. A compass, a sewing kit, some fabric, obviously some type of a knife, and a little, what do you call it, Swiss Army knife. I don't know, did I talk about the cup and the silverware? So we've got some fun little silverware here with a knife included. Oh, look, it's got a can opener on there. And a spoon and a candle, and that is everything that I have in this bin. So as you can see, I put 2 of the other kits into the bin along with all of my camping supplies. I do not have food in here. I have food completely in a separate section, but this is all the items that you would need to cook. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.